to each and every one. Another enchanting event in the life of our birthday celebrant that is coupled with a much more exciting program. Because for tonight, we're going to witness and celebrate the first joyous birthday celebration of our dear, of our adorable birthday celebrant, no other than Marcus Brain Colegio Asman. By the way, my name is Stanley Santos, and I will be your host on this amazing occasion. And I'm welcome here in the Apple Residence here to Fair. Please help me to welcome the Colegio and Asman family, together with Daddy Omar, Mommy Lorraine, and our adorable birthday celebrant, Marcus Brain Asman Colegio, on the grand entrance. Let's give them a big round of applause. Asman, a grand entrance. Happy birthday to you. Come on, come on. Happy birthday to you. Oh yeah. Happy birthday to you. Alright, since our birthday celebrant cannot yet talk, Daddy Omar and Mommy Lorraine will do a wish for him. You can close your eyes in this amazing celebration. If you're ready, you can blow the candle. 2, 3, come on. Yeah. All right. Happy birthday, Marcus! What a celebration!
But wish all the best, both parents, Omar and Lorraine. You make stronger because of Marcos. I know the story and everything, so siya yung blessing para sa inyo.
Yung journey na
Sa parang tulog nila?
Ian, kumusta si Paolo Aquilino? Kumusta si Paolo Aquilino?
Hindi mo nagtuloy.
Hindi ko kayo nagtuloy. Bakit hindi nagtuloy? Bumalik kayo siya ba? Anong rason?
Ha?
Bakit po kayo nagtahiwalay? Kung kahit mo si Gerald, kung para kay Paolo Aquilino, makita mo kami ng basta eh. Come on! Sayawan na ako! Ay, palaban! Palaban! Hindi ko na-expect yun, ha? Palaban mo dyan! Okay. O, M, A, R. Ang galing naman talaga ni Sir Aspeno. Good deal! Are you ready? Para kay Marcos, ready na ba? Ready na. Mga ate, mga kuya, let's all witness our adults for the popping of the balloons in my counting. Do the popping of the balloons in 1, 2, 3, 1. Naku, parang nananalo na yung ating mga kids! Nasaan na yun? Wala pa tayo Simon says turn around. Simon says clap your hands. Before we officially close our program, we will listen to the word of thanks and gratitude from the proud and loving parents of Marcus as we celebrate for the first year of his life. First year of his life for tonight, amazing occasion. Take it away, Daddy Omar.
Thank you, host, and also sa lahat ng mga friends and relatives na wala po tayo sa first birthday ni Marcos.
I'd like to thank in love.